Your Royal Highness, Your Excellencies, Mr. Secretary General, it gives me great pleasure to address the third Global Manufacturing and Industrialization Summit. As a new participant in this event, I would like to first acknowledge and thank my co-chair, Director General Lee Yong, and the leadership of the United Nations Industrialization Development Organization, UNIDO, for their constructive partnership and collaboration. I'd also like to thank the previous co-chairs for their efforts in shaping and driving the agenda of GMIS. And finally, let me also express my gratitude to the Federal Republic of Germany for its partnership in this year's event. Ladies and gentlemen, this summit is taking place at a time of unprecedented challenges to global health and the global economy. COVID-19 has been a mass disruptor on multiple levels, forcing countries to adapt quickly and adjust to new realities. In fact, today's virtual meeting is proof that the pandemic is accelerating a digital revolution that was already getting underway across every segment of society. And this underlines the importance of the basic mission of GMIS to harness the potential of the fourth industrial age. Fellow delegates, the theme of this year's summit, Sustainable and Inclusive Global Value Chains, couldn't be more timely. One of the key lessons of the COVID pandemic has been that the global supply chains are only as strong as their weakest link. And this can put countries' health and economic well-being at risk. The pandemic has pushed countries to build buffers into their inventories, reinforce their resilience, and embrace the innovations of the 4IR. The United Arab Emirates believes that advanced technologies have a vital role to play in protecting and enhancing global supply chains from global shocks. Artificial intelligence can transform the performance of our industrial and manufacturing sectors. Big data can give us faster insights into gaps and deficiencies, and machine learning can transfer essential knowledge and expertise from one sector to another. Distinguished delegates, the UAE was early to recognize the potential of technology to enhance industrial development. We were the first country to establish a ministry for artificial intelligence, the first to create a university devoted to AI. And just last month, our leadership established a new ministry for industry and advanced technology. The core mandate of the new ministry is to increase our competitiveness, reinforce our resilience, and build long-lasting in-country value by accelerating economic diversification. At the center of this mandate is breakthrough technology, which we will leverage to enhance industrial performance and enable better integration between sectors. By embracing technology, we will also nurture a knowledge-based economy and create an ecosystem that supports and creates sustainable jobs. We will unlock greater value from sectors where we have existing strengths, including energy, petrochemicals, metals, and logistics. We will target sectors that strengthen our self-sufficiency, including water and agriculture. And we will create value in new high-growth sectors like biotech, health, and pharma. Fundamentally, we realize that we cannot do this alone. We believe that partnership is the key to achieving our goals, while also helping to advance international progress. In fact, throughout the UAE's history, the spirit of partnership has defined our approach to providing positive solutions to global challenges. My fellow delegates, the experience of this year has demonstrated just how interconnected the world's economies truly are. Now is the time to work even more closely together. As a platform designed to build bridges between technologists, governments, and industry, GMIS has a crucial role to play at a critical point in time. And the UAE is more than ready to play its part as a constructive partner to all who wish to work with us. Let me wish you all a productive, successful, and a solution-oriented summit. Thank you.